Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gabe Hogan, and in this video we're going to be going through my Acorns investing review, and we're going to be going through what I do and what I don't like about this investing platform. Now, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so the easiest way for us to do this, first we're going to go through the 3 different pricing plans that Acorns has to offer, and then after that I'm going to tell you guys what I do and what I don't like about the Acorns investing platform. Alright guys, number 1, and that's going to be Acorns Invest Plan. It's $1 a month, and this is where you get into their micro investing. This is what they're known for, this is what they're famous for. And let me explain what that is. Let's say you go to Starbucks and you get a coffee for $3.50. What they're going to do, once you've linked your bank card, is they're automatically going to round that purchase up to the next dollar. So they're going to take that 50 cents and they're going to invest it for you. And they do this over and over again, and they continue to invest for you automatically. Okay, so now you may be asking, okay, Gabe, now my money's automatically going to be getting invested, but where does that money actually go? Now, when you create your account, what they're going to do, Acorns, they're going to ask you a series of questions. They're going to ask you, okay, how long do you want to be invested for? Do you want to be invested for 1 to 5 years, 5 to 10 years? What is your time horizon on your investments? And then they're also going to ask you, what type of risk do you want to be in? Do you want to be in moderate? Do you want to be in aggressive? What do you want to be in, right? And that's going to help them be able to decide what type of portfolio to put you in. Now, these portfolios were created with the help of Dr. Harry Markowitz, a Nobel Prize winning economist. He has helped Acorns develop these different portfolios. So, whenever you invest your money, your spare change gets rounded up, then it's going to be put into one of these portfolios. Now, that's one way that you can do this. The other ways is that you can actually set up different either daily, weekly, or monthly automatic investments. So you could do, for instance, you can do $10 a week every Monday can be invested into your account. And that'll happen automatically until either you stop it or you change the amount that you're putting in your account. Guys, now if y'all are just so anxious that you can't wait till the end of this video, what you can actually do, I put a link in the description. If you want to get started with Acorns today, click that link. And once you invest money in your account, what they're going to do, they're going to give you all $5, and they're also going to give me $5 for referring you all to Acorns during this promotion. Now let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so number 2, their second plan, it's $2 a month, and what that is that's their invest plus their later plan. So you get everything of the first plan, the invest plan, and then you're going to get the later plan. Now what that is, that's referring to retirement. Alright, that's referring to retirement. And what you can do, you can actually set up recurring contributions just like the regular invest plan, but what they're going to be doing is they're going to be putting your money into either a traditional IRA, a Roth IRA, or a SEP IRA. Guys, so very similar to the first plan, but this one is going to be dealing with retirement accounts. I mean, guys, I wish I had more to say about that second plan, the invest plus the later plan, but that's pretty much it. I'm not going to waste your all's time, and I'm not going to go on and on. So let's get to number 3. Now, Acorns' third account is going to be their invest plus later plus spend account. This account is going to be $3 per month. And what this has to do with, it's actually the first 2 plus you're going to be getting a checking account and a debit card through Acorns. Now, guys, this debit card and checking account has tons of benefits to it. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just going to hit the high points. So if y'all want to check out all these benefits, make sure you go to the link in the description. Now, a couple of the benefits that this card has is that they have FDIC insurance up to $250,000 on this account. Now, the second thing you're going to be able to do, and what they really promote with this card, is that they've partnered with lots of different shops, brands, retail stores, etc. And what they're doing is if you spend money with these companies or you complete some type of like reward that they have going on or a promotion they have going on, what they're going to do, they're going to take a percentage of your purchase and they're automatically going to invest that in your Acorns account. All right, guys, so now we basically covered the 3 plans. We went through the invest plan, went through the invest plus the later plan, we went through the invest plus later plus spend plan, $1, $2, and $3 a month. Now what I want to do is I want to talk about what I like and what I don't like about Acorns and who I feel like this investing platform is actually for. All right, first off, let's start with what I don't like. One of the main things and one of the only things I don't like about the Acorns investing platform is that they have these portfolios set up automatically. Now, as you invest, depending on the questions you answered in your account setup, they take your money and they put it in one of these portfolios. Now, initially, they kind of show you what they're going to be investing your money in, but after your account setup and after you're investing your money, it's very hard for me to tell what my money is actually invested in. Like, it's hard for me to get to a point where I can see like, okay, it's in this ETF or these companies, and that's really hard. Maybe I'm missing something, maybe I'm not seeing it, but as of right now, that's one of the only things that I don't like about this platform. All right, guys, so what do I like about this platform? What I like about it is that it's super simple. It's super easy to get started with, and it's super easy to get started investing if you've never invested in anything before. All right, it just takes a couple minutes and then you're started and you're investing. It's crazy. So I truly believe that if you've never invested before, you've never been in the stock market, it's not something that you're comfortable with, then this is definitely a good place to start. Also, I believe that if you just want to be able to save some money and you want to be able to like force yourself to save money, then this is a great app. With the roundups and the different recurring weekly payments into your account or investments in your account, I think it's a great app in that aspect. So what's my consensus on this app or this platform? What I believe, if you're a new investor, then it's definitely for you. If you're somebody who wants to save money, then, or like force yourself to save money, then I feel like it's definitely for you as well. Now, if you're a seasoned investor and you want to make trades all the time, or you want to be able to really see what your investments are in constantly and you want to tweak things, then this is probably not the place where you want to put your money. Now, if you're those other two, then yes, I agree, this is the app for you. Now, I'll be using this app, I'll be using it for the roundups, for the recurring investments, and we'll just see where this thing goes. I'll probably be making another video talking about my progress, or like another review video talking about what I've noticed or what I enjoy or don't enjoy about the app as I've used it more. So until then, if you guys want to get started, you can. I am affiliated with them. So if you click the link below, you're going to get $5. Once you invest money in your account, you'll get $5 for free. And then I'm also going to get $5 just for referring you all to the Acorns investing platform. So it'll be a win-win, guys. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed. Once again, guys, I appreciate y'all, and I'll be seeing y'all on the next video.